Hey there, this is Python trainer Reuven Lerner. Data science is everywhere, and Python is the number one language for doing data science. And within the Python world, we have a whole bunch of libraries that we use, one of which, a really popular library, being Pandas. Pandas is kind of like Excel inside of Python. It's incredibly rich and powerful and efficient. The thing is, Pandas is so rich and powerful, it can be a little overwhelming, and people often get things done not necessarily in the right way. Well, in my new book, Pandas Workout, I give you 50 exercises, and for each exercise, three follow-on exercises for a total of 200 exercises to improve your Pandas fluency. If you're using Pandas for data analytics, for data science, or for any other task, you want to take a look at Pandas Workout. It's already available in draft form as a MEAP via Manning Early Action Program. Go to pandasworkout.com, take a look, and improve your Pandas fluency today.